Citroën is shaking things up with the new generation of the C5 Aircross, and it is clear they are not holding back. This updated flagship SUV comes with the most massive central touchscreen ever installed in any model from the Stellantis family. Measuring 13 inches, the portrait-style display completely dominates the dashboard, giving the interior a futuristic and premium feel. That is just the start. Behind the steering wheel sits a 10-inch digital instrument cluster, and an even larger color head-up display floats in the driver's view, which can now be adjusted for height. While the cabin leans heavily into the digital realm, Citroën has made sure to keep some physical controls in place. There is still a row of real buttons under the center screen for quick access, along with a compact gear lever and drive mode selector on the console. Built on the STLA Medium platform, the new C5 Aircross shares its foundation with upcoming models like the Jeep Compass. It sports a squared-off silhouette and embraces Citroën's quirky design personality. This is the first production car from the brand to come with 20-inch wheels straight from the factory. Though technically, DS Automobiles has already gone bigger with 21-inch rims on some models. What really sets the C5 Aircross apart is how it blends innovation with comfort. It features a progressive hydraulic cushion suspension system that smooths out rough roads with ease. Up front, two separate hydraulic shock absorbers handle compression and rebound individually, delivering a soft, balanced ride, almost like floating over the pavement. As for engines, diesel is gone for good. The entry-level version uses a 1.2-liter turbocharged three-cylinder engine with 136 horsepower, assisted by a 12-horsepower electric motor from a mild hybrid setup. The compact 0.9 kilowatt-hour battery is tucked under the driver's seat, and the system works with a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. If you want more electric power, the plug-in hybrid model pairs a 1.6-liter turbo 4-cylinder with a 125 horsepower electric motor for a combined 195 horsepower. It is backed by a 21 kilowatt-hour battery that delivers 86 kilometers of electric range and over 100 kilometers in the city. Total range is an impressive 404 miles thanks to a 55-liter fuel tank. Prefer to go fully electric? There are two options. One delivers 210 horsepower and 520 kilometers of range from a 73 kilowatt-hour battery. The other bumps power to 230 horsepower and extends the range to 680 kilometers using a larger 97 kilowatt-hour battery. Both support 160 kilowatt fast charging, while the plug-in hybrid supports up to 7.4 kilowatts. Unfortunately, the C5 Aircross is not headed to the United States. Instead, Renault's Alpine brand will make the move stateside. Citroën's latest flagship is staying in Europe, and it goes on sale in the second half of the year. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates like this.